Hey YouTube, so this video is about some fruit bags that I got from Amazon yesterday from a company named Endpoint. So I'm gonna try out these bags and see if they're any good. So far I noticed that the material is the same nylon material as the tree bags that I have right now. Like these are the tree bags that I have, and this is the fruit cover bags. So hopefully they work just as good as the tree covers. But that's for another video. But today I wanted to talk about the Ivy Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard Protection Against Damaging Sunburn, Insects, and Rodents. So the sunburn part is what I'm going to be using this paint for. Let me show you guys. So I noticed that one of my trees have like trunk cracks, and I looked up online that the Ivy Organics product can be used to protect your tree trunk from sunburn and insects and rodents. But for me today it's going to be for sunburn. But I did Google this. I'm not really sure where it's from exactly, but okay, right here you see that cracking. The cracking is what I'm not liking right now. And I read online that it's from the tree being in hotter weather during the day, and then at night cooler weather, and that causes cracking on the trunk. So I have very bad cracking here on this this is the, what is this, the chocolate? This is the chocolate persimmon. So very bad cracking on this, and it goes all the way down the trunk. Not a pretty sight at all. I'm not loving this. I hope it can heal itself and go back to normal. So I'm going to mix up this Ivy Organic paint and show you guys what it looked like. Okay, so I had to go buy a brush from Home Depot. So I have a 1-inch brush, and this is how it looks. And I have a cup of water and the Ivy Organic. So if you open this up, there is the oil bottle, and it's the paint. Now I did see a video this morning that he said that you can only use as much as you want. If you need half, you can use half. So I think I'm gonna try to use half. So this is what the paint powder look like. Looks like flour. Okay, so I'm gonna use half. Let's see where we at with that. I could go a little bit more. Okay, that look like half. Okay. So, and half of the oil. So this is the oil vial. And what's in this oil? So it says here, castor oil, cinnamon oil, clove oil, garlic oil, peppermint oil, rosemary, and spearmint. You could definitely smell the rosemary. Okay, so we're gonna use half of that. It's a full vial, so basically where my thumb is, I'm gonna stop. Okay, I see where we at now. Could go more. Okay, that's good. All right, let's add half of this water. All right, now the bamboo stick here to stir. Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring until it's all dissolved into the water, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so I tried to stir this up as good as I can. Now it's starting to look a little looser. Earlier it was a little clumpy, and now it looks a little better. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the painting. Try to get the cracks. I'm not gonna make this video too long because this is probably gonna take a few minutes because I have to get into all the cracks with this. Okay, let me try dipping it and try to maybe dab the paint into the cracks. You think that'll work, G?
Yeah.
Huh? You seem to be going okay. This is a long crack on this side. Let me start filling this in right here. See if I could get it. Yeah. This crack here, and it goes far down too. I don't understand what's going on. I didn't have this problem all summer. So this is very new to me, this whole tree trunk cracking thing. I'm not a fan of that. So let me stop the video here because I know it's gonna be a little long to paint this. and I don't want to rush through it because I have to get all the cracks. So I'll be back with you guys when it's done, but you get the idea. You paint the whole thing, you get the paint into the crevices and try to seal all the cracks while painting the whole trunk for sun protection, insects and rodents. So thank you, Ivy Organic, and I am hoping this works to protect my persimmon tree. So I'll be back with you guys when it's done. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the end result. Looks pretty good. And don't forget the top. So looks pretty good. And as you can see already, I chose green. I think there's also white, brown, and gray, if I'm not missing any. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope my chocolate persimmon makes a great recovery and give me some nice delicious fruit in the future. Thank you guys. Have a good day.